Hi, I'm Tim, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're looking for a new spacious townhome in Fort Mill, then Grantham Place could be just what you're looking for. This new community is coming soon, which means right now you have the opportunity to become a VIP and be the first to own here at our lowest price. If convenient location is at the top of your must-have list, you can check that off here. Right off of Highway 21, there's plenty of shopping and dining options nearby. And you're only 2 miles from I-77 to head south to Baxter Village or north into Charlotte. Ballantine conveniences are also just 7 miles away. And although you're close to everything you need, you're still tucked back in the well-known Regent Park community, giving you privacy from main roads. Plus, you'll have access to Regent Park amenities from the day you move in. Enjoy relaxing by the pool in the summer or spend time outside at the tennis courts. One of my favorite parts about working with new homeowners is seeing their face light up when they get to choose their features and finishes in their new home. After you pick your floor plan, you'll get to choose from our professionally designed finishes to suit your style, and stainless steel appliances are included. Now you can make your home design dreams a reality. So does this sound like the home you're looking for? Join our VIP list. You'll get community updates on progress, pricing, floor plans, and be the first to know when we open for sale, even before the public. I can't wait to welcome you home.